Hello, my crafty friends. I am here to share some more Happy Mail. This comes from Anna Stratus, who is Heart and Hand Creations here on YouTube. I do believe is her YouTube handle. And I will be putting it in the description box. This beautiful shawl came last summer for me when I was struggling probably the most. With some medical issues, and Anna, I can't tell you how much I love this shawl, and in fact it lays over the back of my chair here in my craft room, and most nights it is on my shoulders. Sorry guys, I had to turn on the heater. It's cold in here. I'm about ready to put my shawl on. But anyway, Anna also sent me a little package most recently, and I didn't share a lot of the Happy Mail that I received this summer, you guys, and I want to apologize for that. Physically and mentally, I was just done. I was spent. Pain is a beast, and that's all I can say. You know, it was pretty bad, but I don't want to, linger on that. I don't want anybody to feel sorry for me. With each trial comes renewal. And that's what I'm focusing on for the year 2021. And I'm concentrating on the good, and that's what this video is about. Anna took the time to crochet this for me in my favorite color wave. As you guys can see, these are my colors, and I love this thing, Anna. And, when I was a little girl, I had one very similar that was in white. And I loved it, and I wore it out, quite literally, wore it out. And I don't think there was much left of it by the time I was an adult, and it became a cat bed. This will never become a cat bed because I'm taking such good care of it. But I wanted to thank you for all the work and the love that you put into this, and trust me, when I wear this thing, I feel the love. I really do. And it's just so special. She also sent a package at Christmas, which, you guys, this woman's care and generosity is just something else. And I can never thank her enough. So Anna, thank you so much. Here's our little card. So sweet. So absolutely darling. And it's a little easel card. It stands up. And it says, "Hello, fabulous friend." How cute is that, you guys? I love it. Just love it. And then she sent this little bag. And thinking of me again. And in here is a pretty pin with a big old bling on the end of it. I love it. It'll be easy to find in the craft room, which is always a good thing. Look at that. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. It's like the oil slick look, which I love. Our rainbow. And a journal. And it says, "Every day is a new day, 2021. And it is actually a personal calendar. And I needed this so badly. So thank you so much for this, girl, because I really did. And there is a journaling spot in the back, see? So you've got places to put notes. So thank you so much, Anna, for thinking of me, for taking the time to make me a card and send me some Happy Mail. I really appreciate it. And God bless you, girl. God bless you. And that is it for my Happy Mail, you guys. I want to thank you all for taking your time and spending it with me for a few minutes. And I will put the links in the description box. And make a happy memory, you guys. Bye-bye.